We have a quick attach mulching head for a pretty good sized skid steer with a quick attach. Go ahead and give you a demonstration of the machine working. It is engaged right now and spinning. This had the three quick attach heads. Very quiet. You can hear there's no bearings that are bound up, and it runs very smoothly. It's got very low hours on it. It's hardly had any use. I'm gonna stay away from that machine because that thing could screw you up pretty quickly, ladies and gentlemen. It does have the shield here as well. You could drop down if you're mulching a tree or something like that. You can actually put this thing on its edge and stump grind with it. A normal stump grinder grinds it this way. This one can go it this way and spits it out to the side instead of behind you. It's pretty convenient. Go ahead and give you a demonstration on a tree.